Okay, so we're gonna try the jalapeno with cream cheese and Takis in it. Yeah. Okay, on the count of three, 3, 2, 1.
I mean, it's not bad.
It's
I don't like Takis, but the cream cheese, the combination of the cream cheese with the Takis and the jalapeno, yeah, it's pretty good. But now I don't have any more Takis, or, yeah.
There's some over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't have any more, but.
If you want more, there's more.
Taki adds a flavor.
Yeah. Jesus. What are you doing? There we go. So we got jalapeno with Takis, cream cheese. Kid over here stuffing the whole thing in their face. So, yeah. Good, good. Of course, I already ate dinner, so
It's playful chicken later.
no.
I've had it before.
So, yeah.
It's really good.
That's alright.
Try it yourself. All you do, cut a jalapeno open, carve out the middle, put some cream cheese in it, and stuff some Takis in it. That's really it.
Yeah. Pretty simple. I'm not done eating.
So, yeah. We're gonna wait until you're done eating. What are you doing? What are you doing?
You had a piece of glitter on your arm.
Bedazzled.
Yeah.
So we're gonna wait until you're done eating, and then we're gonna do the bye. Have a great day. It's gonna be an outro.
So,
Bye. Have a good day.
I'm not done eating.
Yes, you are. Okay, now you.
No, I'm still chewing.
Okay.
It's good.
So,
Bye.
Bye.
Have a great day.
Have a great day. Make sure to like and subscribe. And
Because apparently this is going to go on YouTube or something. I don't know. Is it?
yes.
Okay.
So, bye bye.
Ooh. Spicy.